Hi, this is the third take. I do not know why it stopped working, the camera. So I've actually earlier on opened this up with my knife, and then I had to stop because the camera wasn't recording, and I tried the second time and also the camera didn't record. So now it's the third time. So let's hope I'm third time lucky and I don't have to do it all over again. So here we are. I've opened up this box that contains PPE and let's see what's inside. Okay, it says here, let me put this higher. Okay, a bit higher. It says here, delivery note from LRR prepared. Here is your initial delivery of free PPE from Leicestershire and Rutland Local Resilience Forum as detailed in the recent letter. And this delivery contains disposable aprons, disposable gloves, our mask and hand sanitizer. So I'm getting this for free. So can you imagine how much the council is actually spending on people who are vulnerable? So yeah, you have to, understand that it's quite a big expense for them. So anyway, let's see what are the aprons. I'm having a bit of cough, but it's okay. Tear here to open. Okay, white apron, 16 MU micro unit. I don't know what it is, but it's 200. What am I going to do with 200? Maybe use it for my cooking? Nah, I don't think so. I have my own thing, so I'll just keep it in case you want it, but I'll give it to my cleaner, yeah, so that she can use it. We also have here disposable face mask type IIR, which is actually medical face mask with ear loops. I bought 100 the other day during the lockdown and it cost me about 100 is about 40 over pounds, including delivery. So let's see. Oh, it is this type. Okay, it's really nice. Yeah. Okay, I'll not touch it because I'm going to use it later on. There's 50. No, is it 50? Yes, 50 per box. And then I have gloves. It's Nitrolex Classic. Let me see. Mercato Medical. Textured. Oh, it's textured, so it's non-slippery, and it's got 100, and they measure it by weight. XL. I think mine is medium. XL is a bit large, but I think they get to fit men and women and all that, so they get the biggest. So I think this is really good. Mine is running out. I ordered about 500 before the lockdown, mainly for my own use, but so I'm running out of that as well, and because all the shops are closed. And I bought that from the local markets, in the high street. So I was trying to support local businesses at that time before the lockdown. So that's very good. I've got 100 of this. I'm very, very happy. Very, very appreciative. And here, ooh, antibacterial hand sanitizer gel. Okay, this is fantastic. So this is what we get, which is lovely. Thank you very much. Leicestershire Council and Rutland. Thank you very much for all your prezzies. Oh, this one. Don't forget. The apron. Oops. Ooh! Yeah, this is the apron. Ooh! So, you don't get free presents every day, do you? So, I'm really, really appreciative. Thank you very much for your kindness. Yeah, and I've got no words to describe further, just a great thank you. So please share my thanks to the council, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and that will help me to be more motivated to do. If you click like and subscribe, you will be encouraging me, and I'm so grateful. See you again tomorrow, hopefully with something more exciting than just unboxing. Alright then, good night. See you. Bye. Have a nice day.